it might have appeared to go unnoticed. But did you all hear JFF President Michael Ricketts admit that the world governing body of football, FIFA, ordered multiple audits of the JFF accounts?
My information is that this is the 4th time this year that the JFF is being audited specifically.
By whom?
By FIFA. You can correct me if I'm wrong.
I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
I'm not sure.
You're not
but
sure?
I could check.
But this is not the first time that auditing has been going on?
No.
In this year?
No.
Why so?
I really don't know.
These are supposed to be random audits, implying the odd one here or there. But we're hearing about 3 or 4 audits for this year alone. And wonder if these frequent audits have anything to do with the delays in the reimbursements from FIFA to the JFF. And look, when we see auditors take a set on any organization, that means a trouble there. We have to wonder what could have caused FIFA to be so curious about what is happening at the JFF. And what do these frequent audits and the ensuing questions they invite? What all these things mean to the medium to long-term credibility of the current JFF administration, especially in terms of its ability to attract much-needed sponsorship for the football program, especially going into the World Cup qualifiers next year.
Auditors, open up. Auditors, open up.
Who that?
Open up. Auditors, open up.
Wrong address, boss. Wrong address. This is not the JFF.
Open up.
Hey, this is TVJ.
Auditors, open up.
Wrong address.